Back in June, Realme launched the global version of the Realme GT. But until now, we have yet to see this phone officially launched in the Philippines. The Chinese version of this phone has been made available for months in Lazada and Shopee, but only this July that the global version of the phone was made available in Shopee. If not for the Shopee Mall badge of the shop, I would be skeptical of the item, and now after almost a month of waiting, I finally got my hands on this phone, and in this video, we will unbox the Realme GT, the cheapest Snapdragon 888 phone in the market today. The Realme GT comes in a bigger than usual box and not the usual yellow box of the other Realme phones. Inside you have the SIM card ejector pin, the user guides, a clear jelly case, a USB Type-A to Type-C cable, and the 65-watt super dart charger. The phone also has a plastic screen protector out of the box. I got the dashing blue version of the phone and it really looks nice, with the back panel transitioning from blue to black. The phone has a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The fingerprint scanner is under the display, and it's fast and accurate in my experience so far. At the right-hand side of the phone, you have the power button, and the volume rockers are located on the left-hand side. This together with the dual SIM card slot. There's no SD card slot on this phone, so the decision to choose between the 128GB or 256GB variant would be critical depending on your needs. Aside from the mic at the top, all other ports are located at the bottom of the phone: the 3.5mm audio jack, the primary microphone, the USB Type-C port, and the speaker grills. The phone has a 4500 mAh battery and can easily last you the whole day depending on your use. And even with heavy use, the 65-watt super dart charger comes in handy, charging my phone from 5% to 100% in less than 40 minutes. For the software, the Realme GT comes with Android 11 out of the box with Realme UI 2.0. And compared to other Realme phones, the phone has minimal bloatware. The user interface feels very light and it's easy to navigate. Plus, you can customize the look based on your liking. The Realme GT is powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset and it scored more than 700,000 on my Antutu test. Playing heavy games such as Genshin Impact is such a treat since the experience is buttery smooth even at maximum settings. For connectivity, the phone supports 5G and is a nice feature to have if you are in a 5G covered area. One thing I also noticed in this phone is that it has good Wi-Fi reception compared to other phones that I have. On the camera department, you have a triple camera setup with a 64-megapixel primary shooter, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. And this is complemented by a dual-LED dual-tone flash. At the front, you have a 16-megapixel selfie camera located at the upper left corner of your screen. So far, in the first couple of days that I have this phone, I already feel that this will now be my daily driver, and I'll post a full review after a month's use. So with that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, The Misadventures of Ronnie G. Thank you for watching and stay safe.